Tips and tutorials here with a quick tutorial about Chrome. We have a question here on Yahoo Answers. Cannot get my Google Chrome to work. Every time I click on Google Chrome, I get a blank page with just a header. I have IE8 and Windows 7. Well, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. A lot of people have this problem. I clearly have my Chrome working right now, but I'm going to pretend that I don't, that it's closed at the moment. Now, this is your desktop. As you can see, we have an icon on the left here. All you have to do, give it a quick little double tap, a little double click, 2 clicks, and there you go. Chrome on your desktop. Thanks for watching.